सो ते लोकांनी काल एक सिकेरी हिलाचेर काल विशय जाला. व्हॉट यू हॅव टू से ऑन दॅट?
पळय, शिकेरी हिल आमी प्रोटेक्ट केला आदीसून. एक थिंगासर ग्राउंड प्लस 2 कंस्ट्रक्शन येतालें ऑन द प्लेटो. When I became MLA, we stopped it. And we requested the contractor and the owner of the place not to continue with your building on the Sinquerim hill. That is the most beautiful place. And tingasor historic आमचो असो फोर्ट आग्वादा, मागीर लायट हाऊस, आणि थिंगासोर आमचे जे सेंट लॉरेन्स चर्च हा, and that scenic panoramic view from that place is something which has to be preserved for the generations to come. So we support the people of Kandolim, the people of Kalangut constituency, who are always there, because I cannot protect it alone. We everybody will protect it.
Thank you.